Welcome to the Squeaky Wheel Farm. Hi, I'm Christine, and today I'm just going to do a quick introduction to what we're doing. I've got a bunch of garden tools here that were kind of mistreated. They were either left out in the weather, and some of these were actually even free, or I bought them at auction, so it's not always my neglect, but some of them need a lot of care. And I had actually thought about buying new sticks for some of these tools, and a friend reminded me recently that that wasn't necessary, that all I needed to do was take a piece of sandpaper and just rough up the handles, get them nice and smooth, and then go ahead and apply some polyurethane. Now, most of these tools, the metal parts are still in good shape. If I needed to, I could take a wire wheel to them and clean them off a bit and paint them if I needed to, but I don't think that's necessary. So today I'm just going to work on getting them sanded, getting some polyurethane put on the handles so that I don't have to worry about splinters and getting calluses while I'm out here in the garden during the summertime. Now this stirrup hoe, this is probably my favorite tool in the whole garden shed, and I use it a lot. So I want to make sure that it's maintained. I almost went and bought another one, and I'm going to be able to repair this just by putting an extra coat of polyurethane on it after I sand it, and it's going to work just fine. I'm actually able to take the stirrup part off because it's just attached with a couple of screws, and I'll put that back on after I've got this handle coated really well with polyurethane. And I might actually have to do a couple of coats on some of these handles for it to be, where I want it to be. Nice and smooth. Might have to rough sand it in between, but it's certainly going to be a lot better than the way it is right now. Now we put some screws into these sawhorses so that the handles of these tools can be supported, and I can actually have better coverage than if I had them laying on the sawhorses. Now this is a project that's going to take some time, but it's going to be well worth it. I'm going to save money by not buying more tools that I don't need. I actually have everything that I need. It's just, well, it needs some maintenance done. I sure enjoy making these videos for you, and I hope that you enjoy them too. If you enjoyed this short video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I just wanted to remind you that you don't always need to go out and buy new. I was able to use some sandpaper that we had laying around, and an old can of polyurethane that was still good, paintbrushes that we already had, so it didn't cost me a thing. It just took me a little bit of time and some effort. I'm going to be so grateful when I go to use these tools this summer in my garden. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Oh, and one more thing. I hope to see you again soon.